Shri Ram to all of you. I humbly welcome you all to this course that teaches the accurate and exact meaning of each and every word with its meaning in the great holy text Hanuman Chalisa. In this course, you are going to learn about Hanuman Chalisa, and I will introduce you to the composer of Hanuman Chalisa, and after knowing the composer, you are also going to learn about Lord Shri Ram and Lord Hanuman with his strengths. Hanuman Chalisa is a very popular devotional hymn to get access to Lord Hanuman. When I say the very popular prayer, I mean it is read and chanted by millions of people around the world. It is the first devotional poem based on Lord Hanuman, and it was first originally composed in Awadhi language. According to me, Hanuman Chalisa is a biography of Lord Hanumanji. Hanuman Chalisa is a remedy of black magic practice and evil energy. Because reciting daily this holy text, you will get the spiritual protection directly from Lord Hanuman. And trust me, no one can harm you. For example, in Hanuman Chalisa, there is a couplet, number is 32, which is known as Chopai, which says, Ram Rasayan Tumhare Pasa Sada Raho Raghupati ke Dasa. Lord Hanuman, despite being blessed with all incredible powers, still believe that by honestly praying to Lord Ram one can win the blessings and utmost devotion to Lord Ram. This course is specially designed for you, and the secret of Hanuman and his glory is hidden under the various couplets, that is chopais, in Hanuman Chalisa. As learning Hanuman Chalisa will help you to channelize all your energies and honest prayer to achieve Lord Ram devotion and Lord Hanuman blessings. Jai Mahavir. Lord Hanuman is the supreme devotee of Lord Ram. He is one of the powerful characters in Indian mythology, as played a significant role in the Indian epic Ramayana. Lord Hanuman is a pure representative of the Supreme Lord Shri Ram. He never accepted anything for himself. He was 100% engaged in the service of Lord Shri Ram. The greatest qualities in Hanuman is he does not desire any respect for himself, and no one can find any fault in him. He was surrendered himself in the devotion of Lord Shri Ram. He always stay in the divine bhakti of Shri Ram and chant the Lord Ram name as Shri Ram, Shri Ram, 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 like this continuously in his mind silently. This is the secret of chanting the Lord Ram name. Even you can chant in the same way while doing your daily work. Even I am also doing the same way and feel comfortable without distracting my ongoing work. His mother name was Anjana and his father name was Kesari. Lord Hanuman is known to rush to the help of his devotees. You can easily associate Lord Hanuman with bravery, honesty, loyalty, knowledge and devotion. According to me, Hanuman Chalisa is the complete package to develop these skills in you. The above words are not only Hanuman qualities, but they are also the steps to become a perfect devotee, as without having these qualities, the path of devotion is meaningless. According to me, a devotee should be brave to handle the situation. He should be honest and loyal to the Lord and his spiritual guru. He is always eager to gain spiritual knowledge and practice devotion. See you in the next lesson. Till then, keep learning. Jai Shri Ram.